Alright, so here we are. I'm going to consider this, I believe it's update number 6 on the firewall. The firewall is in. I've got about 15 hours in it. So I've got 4 or 5 just today. So here you can see I've got the vertical cab braces in, welded. That was the last one I worked on, so you can see it's still bolted in. I've got the firewalls in. All the welds have been done. I ground them all down. Some of them still need a little bit of touch up, you can see. You can see, but all in all, I mean, it's maybe another hour's worth of work or something. I welded all the way down and across. I did a couple spot welds to hold the cab mount in place. I welded the cab mount to the firewall there. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, this part's done. So now we're gonna have to move on to the pedals and the floor pan. So in here you can see I mocked all the stuff up. So there's the transmission tunnel. We're gonna have to work on that. For some reason I thought it came back a lot further than it did. But I might be able to get it to work because the shifter comes right about here. So I might be able to get that in and just kind of notch a spot back here. So we'll see. I'll look at it and figure it out. I trimmed up the toe boards already. They need a little bit more trimming, but that's about what they're going to look like. The driver side is going to have the pedal box for the pedals done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out and recess a sheet metal box in to hold the pedals and the master cylinders for the clutch and brakes. So that's going to be something I'm going to be working on soon. I've got to mess with the steering column and get that through the firewall, this bottom toe panel, and yeah, I think that's about it for the firewall setup. Nothing real crazy. Like I said, there was a lot of hours in here. It took, I don't even know how many hours it was grinding and prepping the firewall and everything to get done. So it's done. I'm glad it's done. Don't know if I'd do it again, but hopefully I won't have to.